Hi guys, welcome back to Schoolweb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to calculate variance in Excel. So let's get into the video. Now open the Excel worksheet containing the data for which you want to calculate variance. Select an empty cell you want to display the variance result. In the selected cell, enter the formula. Type equal sign and write VAR dot phi, then put a bracket. Now select use cells and then close it. Now press enter. You will see the variance calculated based on the data you provide. That's for today. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.